His question is there any difference between love and attachment? First of all, understand that these are all words. I can explain the difference between the two, and still what you think as love and what you think as attachment is only what you think as love and what you think as attachment. Essentially, it should be that love, there is a lot of freedom. Love is a giving expression. Love is not a receiving expression. And when I say I love you, I say I feel responsible for you. When I say I love you, I tell you that I actually want to cherish doing things for you as I would probably cherish doing things for myself. When I say I love you, I'm really talking in terms of you matter to me as much as I matter to myself. When I say I love you, I'm basically saying what makes me smile to me is as important as what makes you smile. And what brings tears to your eyes brings tears to my eyes also. Actually, it's supposed to be a giving expression. Attachment as an element of possessiveness into the whole thing. I want to own it. But I really think it's so beautiful to speak as a concept about detached attachment, not being attached. But let's face it, Surendra. In a relationship where you consistently keep investing time and communication, you're talking about relationship. There is an element of attachment which is an integral part of the whole thing. So when spirituality always asked you to practice an element of detachment, they're just basically telling you, do not take that attachment to the point where what they do and what they do not do start affecting the peace of your mind. That's the point. When what they do and what they do not do starts affecting the peace of your mind, you have tilted so much in the direction of attachment that your emotional tranquility is now dependent on that relationship. And as long as your emotional stability, your emotional tranquility is dependent on another relationship, you have enslaved yourself permanently. The way they behave, the way they don't behave, what they do, what they don't do, everything is going to affect your peace of mind. So if you can love people with a tinge of detached attachment is you will always feel a sense of ownership towards them. But focus on giving, focus on what you can do. Simply put, detached attachment you will be able to practice in any relationship if you commit yourself to this principle. Go into any relationship looking at what you can give and not what you can receive.